We're going that way, right? Okay. There we go. Ooh. Yeah. You can see, oh, we're making now like 7, 8 knots, huh? A little bit. I love it when it is like this. Just like it is.
I got Windows 10 and it's got Windows Movie Maker on it.
Ah,
You
okay.
ever seen that? Well, you don't use a Apple Mac.
I've got an Apple, yeah.
Yeah,
I have no idea about the.
Windows, you've got get to this free video editing.
Yeah, it's the same in Mac, yeah. Mac is called iMovie.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds like the same as
Yeah, it is the same, pretty much. But never use this card on a Mac, okay? Because it won't work again on Windows. Now? I think it's a good idea. I'm going over there. So we are turning right again. Yeah. So you're picking up speed and then turn right and go downwind all the way to Sonora. Yeah. Yeah, that's full curve. Ooh. Ah. Yeah, water resistance. You don't get soaked like I am now. Yeah. So now turning is easier now, right? Because you have downwind. Yeah. Yeah, a lot easier now. Now go the other side, right? Yeah. So what you do now, you're tightening the sail, right?
Tighten it up and then it will fit
Yeah.
the other side in a minute. At the moment, not much.
Now. So you never use the sail for turning, right? You always use the rudder.
Oh yes, yes.
Or it's a combination of the two of them?
No, it's the rudder does the turning. But you can make adjust the speed of the sail
Ah, okay.
and then going downwind now. We're not showing much sail, so we're going a bit slower, but more comfortable because you're travelling with the wind.
Yeah, and with the waves as well, yeah.
Away.
I love this house.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
When I sail, I don't have my hearing aids in, so I might not hear you.
Oh, don't worry. I shout.
They're too expensive to listen.
Yeah,
I lost my spare glasses last time.
really.